This is the breaker for the air conditioner. Not good. Okay, we're looking at a York package unit. I checked the compressor for ground because, as you saw, the breaker's throwing right away. There's no ground, but what I found is got a nice toasty black spot right there. Check out this control board. I'd say that sucker's burnt. I don't have one on the truck. I'm gonna see if the York store's got one in stock. See if I can get him some air today. Yeah, she's toasty. Okay, there's the old burnt board. I've got the new one here, non-burnt. We're gonna simply unplug this one. Some of these can be a bitch. That plug is not in the best shape either. Okay, all the low voltage is hooked up. The board's completely wired. Here's the nice, pretty old one. Nice and toasty. And what was happening is it was touching right here against the cabinet and causing a dead short. So we will, I'm going to go inside and turn the breaker on and hit the thermostat, and hopefully she'll fire. Okay, the blower's running. Right here, you see that fluffling around. Now we're just waiting on the condenser side of it to kick on. There's probably a little time delay on that defrost board. There we go. All right. Defrost board has released voltage to the contactor, and we have cooling. So I'm going to button this thing up, and that ought to be all she wrote for the old York. Alright, that'll do it for the old York package unit. It's up and running. Cooling. We had some bad weather, and it hit a lot of units, and I'm sure it got this one too. Alright, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.
Gotta pick yourself up for another day of blissfulness. Oh, how I'll miss your kiss. Get yourself high till you feel low down, and you're so burned out on the whole damn town again. Until the end, my friend. Never really thought that I'd learn from you, but now it always seems I'm always in your shoes. Somehow, some way, I lose. The daylight is burning and the night is coming on, and you're slowly getting up while another day has gone away. Happening every day. You get yourself